I have HUAWEI Mate 20 and let me show you how to check the original list of ringtones on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the settings. Here from the settings, let's choose sounds, and here let's find and select here the theme ringtone, and here we've got the full list of ringtones. This is the default one. And that's it. Everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.